Good morning students, welcome back to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Before starting our class, let's take 1 minute relax. So take your both hand like this and close your eyes, follow my instructions. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now down your hands and open your eyes and we relax. So students, we completed our first term and now we will start our second term. So in our second term we will read chapter 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We already completed chapter 1 to chapter 5. So in first term. So now we will read chapter 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 in our second term. So the first chapter, that is chapter 6, New Year Celebration. Chapter 7, Rise Sees a Rainbow. Chapter 8, Who Gets the Biscuits. Chapter 9, I Saw. Chapter 10 is Grandpa's Visit. So we will start from chapter 6, New Year Celebration. Take out your book and open up page number 38. That is the 6th chapter, New Year Celebration. So in chapter 6, the New Year Celebration, there are 5 characters. 2 characters, Mr. Batra. The main character is Mr. Batra. Batra's family, that means Mr. Batra, his wife and their 2 kids. The name of kids, Pinky and Pintu. And a orphan boy. Okay, how many characters are here? As you can see on the board, I have written 4 characters. But Mr. Batra's family, there are 2 kids, Pinky and Pintu, Mr. Batra's self and his wife also. Alright? So I hope this is clear. They are characters in the chapter. And as you can see, the name of the chapter is New Year Celebration. That means there is something about New Year celebration. So Mr. Batra and family always celebrated their New Year with lot of joy and fun. They distribute gifts, clothes and sweets to their relatives, their friends. So on this New Year they also want to do the same. So what they did? They went to a market and they purchased gifts, clothes, sweets for their relatives and friends. When they are purchasing from the market, Pintu and Pinky saw a boy who was standing near a toy shop and he was not able to purchase the toy. That's why he was staring the toy continuously, but the shopkeeper did not pay attention on him because that boy wore torn clothes. That's why no one was paying attention on that boy, but that boy wanted to take some toys. They all was looking him. Then he moved from the shop and then Pintu and Pinky asked their parents to follow them. That means they wanted to know where the boy is going at that time. So they followed the boy continuously. Then what they find? They found that that boy entered in a orphanage home. What is the meaning of orphanage home? Orphanage home means a shelter for those whose parents are dead. A shelter, a home for those children whose parents are dead. to celebrate that year with the orphanage home, with the orphans, and Mr. Batra and his wife did a very good act there. They permitted their kids to celebrate that new year with the orphans in orphanage home. So in next evening, first of all they purchased lot of gifts, clothes and sweets for orphanages, and in next evening they went to orphanage home and they distributed their all gifts, all sweets, all clothes to orphans, and they really did a good act there. It was the greatest evening, New Year evening for them. I hope you understand this chapter. I am repeating it again in front of you all. There are 5 characters in this chapter. Mr. Batra, his wife, Pinky and Pintu, their kids, and a orphan boy. Alright. Mr. Batra celebrates their every New Year evening with their relatives, their friends, and they distributed gifts to their family, their relatives, and their friends. So it was an occasion of New Year. That's why they went to the market and purchased some gifts, sweets, clothes for their relatives and their friends. Then what they saw in the market? They saw a boy was standing near a toy shop and he was staring at the toys, but the shopkeeper did not pay attention on him because he wore torn clothes. That means he was not from any good family, so nobody paid attention on him. But Pintu and Pinky was paying attention on him, so they asked their parents to follow that boy. That boy was moving away from there, so they continuously followed that boy. And what they saw a orphanage home where that boy was entered. Orphanage home means a shelter, a home for those kids, for those children whose parents are dead. Okay, that means that boy was a orphan boy. He was an orphan boy. That's why he was not able to purchase the toys, and that's why he was staring to the toys. But shopkeeper saw his torn clothes. That's why he was not paying attention on him. So Pinky and Pintu decided there and asked to their parents to celebrate that New Year Eve with the orphans in orphanage home. And what the thing is there? Their parents permitted them. Then they went to the market again. They purchased more sweets, clothes, gifts for orphans, and in the New Year evening they went to the orphanage home and they distributed all gifts, sweets and clothes to the orphan boys and girls, and that was the awesome act which they did there, and it was their awesome New Year evening. So I will explain you it in Hindi for your comfort. Alright? इसमें 5 कैरेक्टर्स हैं. इस चैप्टर में कौन कौन कैरेक्टर है? मिस्टर बत्रा's family. There is 2 kids, मतलब 2 बच्चे हैं, पिंकी एंड पिंटू. मिस्टर बत्रा's family. अब बत्रा है तो मिसेस बत्रा भी होंगी साथ में. तो मिस्टर बत्रा, उनकी पत्नी मिसेस बत्रा, उनके 2 बच्चे पिंकी एंड पिंटू. वो हर साल अपना जो न्यू ईयर इवनिंग थी वो बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करते थे. वो हर साल गिफ्ट खरीदते थे, स्वीट्स खरीदते थे, क्लोथ्स खरीदते थे. अपने रिलेटिव्स को, अपने फ्रेंड्स को वो देते थे एज अ गिफ्ट, न्यू ईयर गिफ्ट. तो वही करने के लिए वो लोग कहाँ गए थे? मार्केट गए हुए थे. वहाँ पर उन्होंने क्या देखा? जब वो सब परचेजिंग कर रहे थे तब उन्होंने देखा कि एक बच्चा था जो टॉर्न क्लोथ्स पहने था, मतलब गंदे से, अजीब से, मतलब अनटाइडी क्लोथ्स पहने था, और वो टॉयज को लगातार देख रहा था. वो देखभाल करने वाला नहीं होता है। वो बच्चे कहाँ रहते हैं? अनाथ आश्रम में रहते हैं। तो वह बच्चा कहाँ था? अनाथ आश्रम में था। इसका मतलब वो कौन था? ऑर्फन बॉय था, मतलब अनाथ लड़का था। तो पिंकी और पिंटू ने वहाँ डिसाइड किया कि इस बार हम अपना न्यू ईयर जो है अनाथ बच्चों के साथ अनाथ आश्रम में सेलिब्रेट करेंगे। उन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स से परमिशन मांगी और उनके पेरेंट्स ने सबसे अच्छा काम पता है क्या किया? उन्होंने किया ये कि उन्होंने वो परमिशन बच्चों की ग्रांट कर ली, परमिशन दे दी बच्चों को। तो सब गए फिर से मार्केट, वहाँ से उन्होंने परचेज किए, गिफ्ट, स्वीट्स और टॉयज, क्लॉथ्स, कपड़े, खिलौने सब परचेज किया। और अगले दिन जब न्यू ईयर मीटिंग थी तब वो आए और उन्होंने ऑर्फन अनाथ बच्चों के साथ में सेलिब्रेट किया, उनको ये सब चीजें बांटी। तो ये उनका सबसे अच्छा न्यू ईयर था। So students, the moral of the story is we have to help the needy. हमें जो जरूरतमंद है उनकी हमेशा क्या करनी चाहिए? मदद करनी चाहिए। We always have to needy. So your chapter is done here. You have to find out the hard words from the chapter and learn word meanings which are given here. Celebrate, excitement, exchange, orphanage, permission and deed. So learn word meanings, find out hard words and try to do exercise by your own. I am going to help you for exercise. Come on, page number 40. Who went to market with family? Mr. Batra. C option is correct. Second, was standing near a toy shop. Poor boy. B option is correct. Third, Pinky and Pintu went to an orphanage. So D option is again correct. In first option C is correct. In second and third option B is correct. Complete the following statements. So read the statements and find out from the book. All statements are given there in the chapter. So find out from the book. How did Pintu and Pinky celebrate every New Year? They celebrated every New Year. They distribute gifts, sweets to their relatives and friends. How did they buy from the market? They bought gifts and sweets, clothes from the market. What did they do on New Year's Day? They enjoyed the New Year's Day. They distribute the gifts, the clothes, the sweets to the orphanage kids. The children who are living in orphanage, they distribute that gifts, that sweets to them. What were their plans to celebrate this New Year? As like every New Year, they wanted to celebrate this New Year with that joy. They wanted to distribute the sweets, clothes and gifts to their relatives and friends. But on this New Year, they distribute these gifts, sweets and clothes to the orphanage home with orphan children. So students, come to D number. Who said to whom they wanted to share their gifts? Mr. Batra. He gave permission parents to Pintu and Pinky. In second, parents to Pinky and Pintu. In first, they wanted to share their gift, Pintu and Pinky, to their parents. Alright? I hope this chapter is clear to you all. In very first, before we start, look at here. List 3 activities that you always do during your New Year celebration. What you do in every New Year celebration, you have to write in 3 lines. Alright? This is your own work. You have to do it by your own self. Find out hard words, learn word meanings, do exercise in your notebook, and we will meet again in our next class. Till then, take care and bye-bye.
Good morning students. I welcome to you all Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Students, this is your second period which is maths period. So let's start chapter number 5 and chapter name is division. Okay students, now second comes course. We will start. Okay, chapter number 5, chapter number 6, chapter number 7, chapter number 8. Okay, in this second terms course. Okay, now first chapter this second term course, chapter number 5 and chapter name this division. Okay, so let's start division. 8 pencils have been divided equally among 2 students. 8 pencils हैं उसमें 2 students में divide कर लिया. Each student has got pencils. How many? Now first question has given, for example, 8 में 8 pencils हैं उसमें 2 students को दे दिया है. तो कि 8 students को कितनी pencils मिलनी चाहिए? ठीक है, 2 divided by 8 divided by 2. Okay, so let's start table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Now 2 fours are 8. The answer is right 4 times. Okay. Now next question has given exercise 1. Okay, so let's start exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. FIB. Okay, now first question is given FIB. Distribute 15 pens equally among 3 students. Total number of pens, number of children, division fact. So number of pens कितने students किया होगा? 15 pens है और 3 student को equal में देना है. Okay, first question has given 3 divided by 15. Okay, so let's start table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So note down. The answer is coming 5. Okay. Now second question has given, put 20 flowers equally into 4 vases. Total number of marbles and total number of vases and division factors क्या होंगे? 4 divided by 20. Okay, so let's start table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Now 4 fives are 20. Write it. 4 fives are 20. Okay, so student, now other questions, exercise 1, other questions same this concept. Okay, now exercise 2nd. Pencils, 4 pencils in one packet. Total number of pencils कितनी है? 16. इसमें 4 pencils, number of pencils in each packet में कितनी है? one packet में कितनी है? 4. Okay, 4 divided by 16. So let's start table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So write down 4 4 16. So next questions. 20 buttons, 5 buttons in one packet. Okay, कितनी है total? 20 है. 5 buttons है और एक पैकेट में कितने वो एक पैकेट में कितने buttons होंगे? So let's start 4. Okay. So student, complete this exercise 2. Okay. Now other exercise, move on. Exercise 3. Divide 15 leaves in 5 equal groups. Second question has given divide 24 bananas into 6 equal groups. Okay. 6 multiplied 24. So let's start table. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24. Okay, 6 4 ja 24. So note down, the answer is coming 4. Okay. Now third question. Divide 18 stars in 3 equal groups. 3 equal groups in 18 stars. Let's start tables. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Note down 18. The answer is coming 6. Okay. Once again I am repeating 5 divided by 15. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. The answer is coming 3. Okay. Now next question, 6 divided by 24. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24. The answer is coming 4. Okay. Now third question has given 3 divided by 18. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Okay. 3 6s are 18. The answer is coming 6. Okay. So student, complete this exercise 3. Okay. Saving concept. Now move on. Next exercise 4. Exercise 4. Okay. 20 minus fill in the boxes. Even fill in the boxes. Now first question has given 20 minus 5. 20 में क्या करना है, 5 को माइनस करना है. ओके. तो इसे क्या करेंगे, कैरी लिखेंगे. ठीक है. और लेंगे तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 10. 10 minus 5. 10 में 5 को माइनस करेंगे तो आंसर राइट 5. यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा 1. So note down. Okay. Now second question has given 36 minus 7. Sorry, minus 9. Okay.
lovely flowers. Gifting flowers to friends can instantly make them happy. Flowers are beautiful and smell amazing. I hope everyone loves flowers. You also like the flowers. The flowers are like lotus, rose, tulip, daisy and marigolds. So let's start the exercise in a part. Identify the flower with the help of the picture given. In the page, you can see the picture of flowers. So you have to just identify the pictures and write the flower's name. Here, I will just note down the flower's name. First is tulip. So write the spelling of tulip. TULIP. First flower is tulip flower. And move to second. Second is daffodil. So write the spelling of daffodil. DAFFODIL. Now move to third. Third is lily. This is the picture of which flower? Lily. So write the spelling of lily. 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 Now move to fourth. Fourth flower is, I hope you all know which flower is this. This is a rose flower. So write the spelling of rose. 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 Now move to fifth picture. Fifth picture is which flower? That is daisy. So write the spelling of daisy. 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 Now move to sixth. Sixth flower is orchid flower. So write the spelling of orchid. ORCHID. Alright. Here again I am repeating all the spellings. First spell is tulip flower. First picture is of tulip flower. So write the spelling of tulip. 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 And the second one is daffodil. So what is the spelling of this? DAFFODIL. Now move to third. Third picture is of lily flower. The spelling of lily, LILY. Lily. Fourth flower is of which flower is this? This is a rose flower. So what is the spelling of rose? ROSE. Rose. Fifth picture is of daisy flower. So what is the spelling of daisy? DAISY. Daisy. Now move to sixth. Sixth is orchid. So what is the spelling of orchid? ORCHID. Orchid. Alright. I hope you all have completed this. Now move to B part exercise. In B part exercise, you have to choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. You can see in front of the sentence two options are given. So which one will be correct? You have to just write down. Alright. So let's start. Come to the exercise. First is the national flower of India is. I hope you all know what is our national flower. Our national flower is lotus. So write here lotus. 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 Now move to second. Second sentence is the flower which blooms at night is. That is moonflower. So write the spelling of moonflower. MOON. Moon. FLOWER. Moonflower. Now move to third. Third one is this vegetable is basically a flower. That is cauliflower. So write the spelling of cauliflower. CAULI. Quali. FLOWER. Cauliflower. Now move to fourth. Fourth sentence is the flower that always faces the sun is. That is sunflower. So write the spelling of sunflower. SUN. Sun. FLOWER. perfume. Perfume is the correct option. So right here the spelling of perfume Perfume. Alright. And do you know the lily is not any flower? Some of its spices can grow from 2 to 6 feet in height. Here again I am repeating the B exercise. The national flower of India is lotus. Second, the flower which blooms at night, that is moonflower. Third, this vegetable is basically a flower, that is cauliflower. Fourth, the flower that always faces the sun is sunflower. And the fifth, flowers are used to make perfume. Alright, now move to chapter 17. Open page number 13 and the chapter 17. Chapter name is plants and their uses. Plants and their uses. Students, do you know plants are very useful to us in our day-to-day lives. They are only provided us with food and oxygen, but also with many different products. So in this chapter, match the plants to their uses. So let's start now with the exercise. First is rose and lavender. Which product is made by rose and lavender? That is perfume. Rose and lavender used for making perfumes. So here I just write the numbers. That for example this is first C. It means you have to match first number with C. Alright. So first match with C. C is the correct answer. Rose and lavender used for making perfumes. Second, neem and mint. Neem and mint basically used for medicines. So neem and mint used for making medicines. So second one match with option A. Now third is bamboo and eucalyptus. So match it with B. Used for making flower. Now move to fourth. Fourth is pine and tea. Pine and tea used for making furniture. So match it with F. Fifth one is cotton and jute. Match it with D. Cotton and jute used for making fiber for cloths and ropes. So match it with D. Now sixth is mustard and sunflower. Mustard and sunflower used for making seed oil. So match it with E. Sunflower and mustard and sunflower used for making edible oil. Edible means eatable. Alright. So again I am repeating. Match first number with C, second with A, third with B, fourth with F, fifth with D, sixth In this exercise, you have to just identify the pictures and with the given hint and note down the picture's name. For example, in the first, I am the world's largest land animal. World's largest land animal is elephant and the picture is of elephant. So you have to write the name of, you have to write the spelling of elephant. Like this, you have to complete this exercise in your homework. So now, take out your diary and note down your homework. Do chapter 80 and learn chapter 16, 17 and 18. And do your work with neat and clean handwriting